programs of Ambience Public School aim at the holistic development of students who become responsible citizens as they evolve, empathize, reflect, and reach out to make a mark for themselves in the ambitious world.
The way Ambience Public School managed and planned its online classes this entire year, my faith in their system has definitely grown stronger. How beautifully they conducted the academic and co-curricular classes, and how seamlessly the teachers established such beautiful strong bonds with their students. It all ensured that the children stayed focused. Highest regards to the teachers for teaching with so much love and patience. Thank you for nurturing our children.
Ambience is a school that offers not only the facilities it can boast of, but a contemporary setup that rides on convenience and necessity, along with quality academics, open communication, inter-school interaction, competition. Ambience has everything one parent can ask for. It's very important for a child to have a happy school life, and if your child is happy, naturally the parent is happy. So yes, I am a happy parent and glad we considered Ambience for both my kids.
Ambience is family to us because of the way they have nurtured our kids with love, affection, and compassion. They don't just work on academics or co-curricular activities, but takes pain to understand the strengths and weakness of each child. From a shy and somewhat introvert little girl, Ambience transformed my child into a confident class topper who has now been awarded scholarships. Not just that, they worked on the strengths of my son and gave him the confidence and education to participate and win an inter-school competition in just grade 2. From the chairperson to the guard, every single person is committed and working hard to give our children a brighter future. Thank you, Ambience.
What joy it is to immerse ourselves in colors and create masterpieces with clay. The Visual Arts Department at Ambience provides us with the opportunity to nourish our imagination and explore the magical world of creativity. Performing arts range from music, dance, theatre and other creative expressions of talent that allow students to excel in areas beyond the curriculum. And Ambience Public School provides the ideal platform for the same.
Hello everyone. Ambience Public School is a school which respects each and every child and brings out the hidden talents of children like my son Chatin by encouraging them to participate in national level and international level competitions like asset exam, camp exam, Olympiads to name a few. My son was properly guided by the concerned teachers and was able to excel in these competitions. So I wish good luck to APS on its 50th anniversary and would like to thank all the teachers who have high expectations for the children and Vice Principal Ma'am and Principal Ma'am for their proper guidance. Thank you, APS.
Physical education forms an integral part of our school's curriculum, as the students at Ambience are offered immense opportunities to hone and demonstrate their skills in the field of sports.
We at Ambience believe in unity in diversity and celebrate all festivals with full fervor and a cheerful spirit. The students get together and bring in the festivities with a twinkle in their eyes and happiness in their hearts.
Ambience always felt like home. As a student, I felt so loved, cared for, and cherished. Now that I have passed out of the school, I certainly miss it, but also the lessons that I learned during my time over there are some that I will carry on with me for the rest of my life.